Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix learning environment with LinkedIn Learning, beginner guide step by step clearly. Creating a conducive learning environment is essential for personal and professional growth. LinkedIn Learning offers a comprehensive platform to help improve your skills and knowledge. First, sign in to your LinkedIn account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by providing your email address and setting a password. Once logged in, navigate to the LinkedIn Learning section. This can usually be found in the top menu or by searching for Learning in the search bar. Upon entering LinkedIn Learning, take a moment to explore the homepage. You'll find a variety of featured courses and categories here. To begin tailoring your learning experience, click on My Learning. This section displays courses you have already enrolled in and completed. Next, consider your learning goals. Identify the skills you want to develop or improve. Use the search bar to find courses related to these skills. You can also browse courses by topic for a broader range of options. Once you find a course that interests you, click on it to view more details. Check the course overview, duration, and user reviews to ensure it fits your needs. If you decide to proceed, click the Enroll button. This will add the course to your My Learning dashboard. Now, create a dedicated time slot for learning each week. Consistency is key to retaining new information. Find a quiet space free from distractions for your learning sessions. Consider using headphones to enhance your focus. Make sure to take notes during the lessons. This helps reinforce your learning and allows you to revisit key concepts later. After completing modules, apply what you've learned in real-life situations. Look for opportunities to implement new skills in your job or personal projects. Don't hesitate to revisit the course materials if you need a refresher. Engaging in discussions on LinkedIn about what you've learned can also enhance understanding. Lastly, keep exploring new topics to maintain a continuous learning mindset. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.